SMRT ALGO is a platform that offers you so many indicators that allow you to find very good entry points. I have been testing this out for a couple of days and I've really seen how good and accurate these indicators are. I will show you guys how to set that up in a moment. But before we go there, let me show you guys some of the indicators that you will get when you sign up with SMRT ALGO and start using them today. So here we are on their homepage for smartalgo.com and we're looking at their features. So some of the indicators that you will get when you get yourself a package with SMRT ALGO are these indicators you see here. I'll show you that also on TradingView in a moment. Some of these indicators have been used by so many traders to pass their prop firm challenges. As you know guys, passing a prop firm challenge is sometimes very difficult because of the rules, but with SMRT ALGO it gives you the exact entry points, the stop loss, the take profit. It can give you take profit 1, 2 and 3 for you to be able to manage your risk on the fly. So don't struggle trying to find entries or trying to do analysis on your own when you can actually utilize this tool to your advantage. Some of these indicators you can see here allow you to get exact entry points, including the sells and the buys. And this is just not one indicator. You get a SMRT ALGO suite that you can be able to utilize in your trading. It also comes with a smart money toolkit that includes so many other indicators, which include the support and resistance or the supply and demand zones. I'll show you guys that in a moment. Before I show you where you go to make a purchase, I want to show you guys how this is set up once you make a purchase, where you go to set up. So you'll come to this page here. I'll leave all these links in the description of the video so that you don't have to struggle to find them, okay? So you'll find this. This is the SMRT ALGO setup page. This helps you to set up your SMRT ALGO indicators once you have signed up. So you can see here, you can come to here and then you can ask, what is SMRT ALGO? SMRT ALGO is a data-driven company specializing in advanced trading solutions and technological development. So they develop indicators and algorithms that help you in your trading. That is what this company is about. You can also go and read more about them. So here you can go to sign up. To sign up for SMRT ALGO, visit our website, which is this. I'll leave also the link, which is in the description of this video. Or you can also reach out by sending them an email here. All right. So to go, once you've made your purchase, you come to TradingView Setup here. So for the TradingView Setup, after you've purchased, you just need to refresh your TradingView. What I mean by refreshing is you log out, then log back in and go to the very home page of TradingView. And then once you have gone there, you can go to products as it is shown here. Go to products, then choose super charts. And then after you've done that, it will take you to a chart like this. Then you can be able to choose indicators right here. You go to indicators. After indicators, you go to search. Then you search SMRT ALGO, this reversal suit, SMRT ALGO V1. But I'll show you that on your TradingView, there is a menu that is like this. That menu, you will not see this last one, which says invite only scripts. You will only see this once you have been given permission or once you have purchased your package with SMRT ALGO. Then you will see this will appear, then you'll be able to set it up. So I'll show you that practically on my TradingView because I have actually installed some of these indicators for me to be able to show you guys how they work. When you come to pricing, you'll come to this page here. This is just testimonials of so many other traders who are using SMRT ALGO and they've passed their prop firm challenges. Some of them are just using it on their personal accounts and they're really getting good results. So what you're going to get is this. These are the packages. So there is this one here, which is a monthly package. This monthly package is only $87 a month. Guys, there are so many people offering signals which are hundreds of dollars per month for you to get premium signals. But with SMRT ALGO, it is only $87. But what you're going to get from that $87 is worth a lot. Guys, believe me, I'm a trader and what I tell you, I know it is worth a lot. So for the $87, you're going to get the SMRT ALGO indicator suite. You're going to get 8 advanced indicators. You're going to get the SMRT ALGO robot or a bot. You're going to get them all in this package. Okay, this package here, it could be even worth more than $500, but you're getting it at $87 a month. So you're going to get trading setups and ideas. You will be able to join their VIP Discord community. You'll get all feature updates. Whenever they update the indicators, you'll be able to access it. So we have this one here, which is the lifetime access. This one you'll save 67%. Usually it's worth $1,500, but you can just pay a one-time fee of $495. Now, this $495, it's like you buying a prop firm challenge of $100,000. This is what it costs for most prop firms. So you can just buy this one once and you'll never have to pay again. Once you pay this $495 using the link that is in the description of the video, you'll have lifetime access and you'll have all the indicators and all the robots that work amazingly. I'm going to show you how these indicators work on my TradingView setup so that you guys can be able to see. So with this one, you'll get the Pro version 4 indicator, which is the updated one, and the Smart Money Toolkit, and you will also get access to the signal rooms for this lifetime access one. Then if you want to pay quarterly, you just pay $129, which will be cheaper than you paying monthly. Okay, if you pay for quarterly, it is cheaper than you paying monthly, so you'll save 50%. It's like you paying $40 a month when you're paying for the 3 months. So these are the packages. If you click client area, you'll be taken to this page here, which will ask you to sign up. Okay, choose a package. Then you can be able to select a plan, whether monthly or quarterly, or you want to pay once for the lifetime. Okay, then you don't have to pay again. You can choose any. Then you can be able to check out. For example, if you choose this first one, it will take you to a page where you'll be able to enter your details and make your purchase, and then you'll get details sent to you on your email for you to be able to access the indicators on TradingView. So this is like a purchase page, which you all know. You enter your details here and then you submit and check out. Then you will be able to get emails sent to you once your payment is verified. You will get an email with all your credentials and access to the indicators. So once you've made your payment, you're going to come to TradingView here. When you come on TradingView here, you're going to go and click on indicators right here. When you click on indicators, this is the page that you're going to get. You get this window here, and then you're just going to check on this list here. Normally, if you've not paid for the Smart Algo, you will not see this last option, which is invite only. But once you've paid, you will get this invite only menu appearing here. So when you click on that invite only, you will see all of the indicators and the robots that you are paying for in your plan. So for me here, I have all of them. Here we have the MACD Smart Algo, we have the Supply and Demand Algo, we have the Pro version 3, which has 2,000 people who have used it or who are using it. So I'm going to show you first this one, which is the most popular one, the Pro version 3, okay, which has 2,000 people. Okay, so let me just close out this. I've already put it on the chart here, and I'm going to turn it on so that you can see. Let's just go through the signals and we see how it has been doing. You can see it has given us a signal here. It gives you the stop loss, the entry price, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. So what you can do here is you can take 3 trades like of 0.01, 0.01, 0.01. Then when this price reaches take profit 1, you close one trade. When it reaches take profit 2, you close the second one. When it reaches take profit 3, you close the last trade. That's how you trade this. These indicators don't repaint at all. I have tested them, they don't repaint. Once they show you a signal, that is the signal they've shown. They don't repaint like many other indicators. You can see around this area right here, it gave us a buy signal, and it gave us take profit 1, which was reached, take profit 2, which was reached, take profit 3, which was reached. Then here it gave us a sell, and this sell also went into profit, as you can see. Then here it gave us a buy, and then it went into take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, as you can see here. And then here it gave us a sell, which hit stop loss. Okay, nothing is 100% correct or accurate, but this indicator has more than 70% win rate based on what I've seen and back tested. So here you can see it gave us a buy here, and then it reached take profit 1, gave us a sell here, and then it was sold off. As you can see, it gives you the sell, it sells off, gave us a buy here to bought, gave us another sell here, and then it went to profit. And then now it has given us a buy signal. So right now we are in a buy signal here for euro dollar. Hopefully the price pushes to the upside. So that is one of the indicators. Remember, these indicators are many. It's not just one, there are many. Let me just remove this one, then I add another one, the supply and demand one, so that you can see. I'm not going to look at all of them because the video will be way too long, but you can see when you click on the one that says supply and demand, you'll get supply and demand zones drawn for you automatically. You see, if you combine them, it will show you like, for example, a buy at this demand zone, and you'll take that buy, okay, and then it would give you another buy signal after this demand zone, and then you would buy, okay. It would give you another buy at this demand zone, and then you would buy. Like right now, it gave us a buy at demand. Like here, it gave us a buy here after this demand going up, right? So this one, you can plot these two, or you can plot as many as you can. Okay, so let me show you the one for Smart Money Toolkit. Okay, so the Smart Money Toolkit will show you those levels, like the change of character and all that. So this one is the Smart Money Toolkit. All this, you will get them when you buy a plan from Smart Algo. Instead of you looking for order blocks, break of structure, change of character, all those things, fair value gap, you just need to get this indicator. This indicator will show you all those levels, as you can see here on the chart. And those levels are very, very accurate. As you can see down here, the liquidity sweep, then the market goes up, there's a change of character, and then the market pushes up. Okay, you can see here there's a break of structure here, then the market goes up. You can see. So guys, that is the tool that I wanted to show you. That is the platform I wanted to show you with the indicators that it comes with. I may not be able to show you everything because the video will be way too long, but I want you guys to go in the description of this video, click on the link, go and check out Smart Algo. You guys will be amazed. Your trading will be transformed. I've been testing these indicators and this platform, and it is simply amazing. If you're struggling to pass your prop firm challenge, this tool can help you with that. It will give you the exact stop loss, entry, and take profit levels, which can aid you in your risk management and also help you to pass your prop firm challenge. Remember, when you're signing up, use the link in the description so that you can get these indicators at a very good price. Thank you for your support. Until next time, peace and out.